Today, we're going to bring some floating shelves, and these out of the box are simple to install, simple to set up. They can hold up ornaments all the way from 8.6 to 18 inches. Now, these can be interchangeable to different ways if you like to design your actual room. These could be in the entrance, in any hallway, pretty much anywhere you want. What I've seen a lot of people like to put their family portraits and other ornaments in there, surrounding their household, making the design very unique. The kit includes double-sided adhesive or wall mount, so you could do it either drywall or wood if you want. So this is an option. The floating shelves come in various colors. Now, easy to assemble out of the box, and then if you don't like the design, you could interlock the actual pieces of wood to make your own design and make it feel like your own home. The floating shelves can be arranged for adjustable storage space depending on your ornaments that you're going to set up. Floating shelves, you can adjust them up to 8 different types of variations on the actual floating shelves. Very simple to set up out of the box.